To change notification pop-up style in Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter the notifications right here in the main settings page. Then we can go to the notification pop-up style, and from there you can either select the brief, which will just show you the brief information about the notification that you received, or detailed, which should show most of the details about the notification that was received. Additionally, with that, you can change the brief pop-up settings, this one right here, and change the lighting effect. For example, you can add glitter, hearts, or whatever options you like. There's plenty of them right here. You can even change colors and adjust transparency and etc. You can also change light effect color by keyword. You can then enter a specific keywords and apply different lighting effects for them. Show brief pop-ups even while screen is off. This will add those brief pop-ups even if your screen is locked down. You will see them. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.